On the island of Krk, the largest and most northern Croatian island with as many as 2,500 hours of sunshine a year, the town of Punat is located in a natural bay. It is located on the eastern coast of the bay, a natural harbor and haven for vessels. Today, one of the largest nautical centers in Croatia, it is a second home for many yacht owners from all over Europe. Punat will delight you with its old town center, centuries-old olive groves, and beautiful beaches along the 3.5-kilometer-long promenade along the sea. One of the special features of this destination is the Islet of Košljun, a pearl of the natural and cultural heritage of this region, the central part of which is dominated by a Franciscan monastery from the 16th century, built on medieval remains. The monastery library holds more than 30,000 books, and classical and sacred music concerts are held in the atrium in the summer. If you want a longer cruise, our travel agencies and private carriers organize full-day trips to the most attractive parts of the Krk coast and the surrounding islands. Choose the offer of your choice. Punat is also known for growing olives. In the past, olive oil was produced with the help of traditional equipment that was used in addition to stone mills and toshes. One such old tosh is now arranged as an interpretation center for olive growing, where you can get a complete impression of the history of growing, harvesting and processing of olives. If you visit Punat in the summer months, do not miss visiting the hidden beaches between Punat and Stara Baška, which are only accessible by sea. Operna Beach is located in a beautiful bay in the immediate vicinity of Stara Baška. One of the most beautiful beaches on the southern part of the island will leave you speechless. If you're a fan of sports activities, you are in the right place. In Punat, there is the possibility of engaging in various sports activities, such as skiing on the sea with the help of cable and towed by a speedboat, parasailing, sailing, surfing, diving, biking and hiking trails. If you want an unusual adventure, take a walk on the seabed, because it is possible on Puntarska Beach. If you have absolutely no diving experience, even if you happen to not know how to swim, you have the opportunity to view replicas of amphorae, anchors, a small shipwreck and barrels and treasure chests on the seabed. Experience a real sea fairy tale. If you're a fan of adventure, unrestrained freedom and freedom of movement, and you like direct contact with nature, there is a diverse selection of camping accommodation that will suit your favorite way of camping. If you want something else, find your ideal accommodation between hotels, luxury villas with swimming pools, private accommodation, because this is a destination that has something for everyone. After all the excitement when you get hungry, in the restaurants and taverns of Punat, you can afford to experience the coastal area and Mediterranean cuisine. Fresh seafood, kvarner shrimp and fish are prepared the old-fashioned way, enriched with laurel and rosemary and the famous Puntar olive oil. If you're looking for an ideal vacation spot, come to Punat and experience the special moments that this destination will surely provide.